The new plan to get this gigantic machine out of here is to actually drive it up this ramp of dirt that we're creating instead of using a crane. So the only concern is that dirt would lean against this very flimsy wall and collapse. I might try to brace this wall with some 2x4s. So the very next day, that's what I did. I made a little bracing section for that wall to hold up all the dirt. And we'll see if it holds. As you can see, that's
all of those 2x4s I just had lying around.
Bracing all this dirt, hopefully.
I repurposed a bunch of metal poles that used to be part of a banister leading downstairs to our backyard.
Staked into the ground right here.
I used a giant rock, trying everything just to keep those 2x4s in place. Used the tree. It's a big avocado tree. I shoved the 2x4 in between the fence and the tree. And just to be safe, let's make sure it's not moving anywhere. It's safe. The big lesson I learned with this project is that it's really nice to have extra 2x4s lying around. I could have gone to Home Depot and purchased some brand new 2x4s, but why do that when they're not even gonna go into my final house project? They're just being used as support beams for this fence. So I was very, very happy to have those around. Nowadays, especially, don't throw out any good wood. If you got good wood, hold on to it. I'm all for purging, but good wood will get used.